Hi, this is Bastian from AndroidPIT. Xiaomi has sent us a new phone, the so-called Mi 8. As you can see, it comes in a shiny new black box, but as you can also see, it's kinda iPhone-like from the outside. This could come straight out of an iPhone ad. But, and also on the side, you can see that here's, well, in Chinese sign language, but it says Mi 8. Also kind of looks like Apple, but that's okay. So yeah, new box, new design. Let's see what's inside. Let's open this up real quick. So again, Chinese sign language on the top. I'm pretty sure, I have no idea what it says, but that's okay. So let's take a look what they have in store for us. So first of all, we have an adapter for the headphone jack, as you can see, and some tool to open the SIM tray, and some other stuff in here, and a nice, well, plastic case, really wobbly to be honest. But yeah, it's always nice to have a case right from the start. And here is the new phone. Let's take this out, put it aside real quick. As you can see, there's not that much in the box, pretty much standard. We have the power adapter, not the European version in this case, and a USB Type-C cable to charge the device. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that's in the box. So let's take a closer look at the phone. Let's remove this one. So yeah, pretty much as from the outside, it kind of reminds us of the iPhone. It's a little bit bigger with a roughly 6.3 inch screen, and with a quite big notch at the top. Really getting used to that, but that's okay. On the back, we have a shiny glass back, also something we're really used to nowadays, and the fingerprint sensor in the middle. And the camera, I mean, the first thing that comes to your mind is iPhone again, because it's the same setup, it looks exactly the same. Other than that, we have the power button here on the right side and the volume rocker. On the left side, we only have the tray for the SIM card. At the bottom, we have a speaker and the USB Type-C port. And at the top, there's only a microphone, and that's pretty much it. We have a 20 megapixels shooter on the front and two 12 megapixels pixel cameras on the back with a flashlight in the middle. Yeah, so there's not much to say about this phone. I mean, it has everything that you could ask for. It has a Snapdragon 845 processor with 6 GB of RAM, up to 256 GB of storage, is really a lot nowadays. Yeah, that's pretty much the Mi 8. We're gonna test it out. We kind of like Xiaomi phones, to be honest. Sure, they're not really officially in Europe, they're not officially in America, but that's perhaps still to come. I mean, sure, we have Xiaomi phones in Europe, sorry, but not that many yet. So yeah, we're gonna review it and run it through its paces, and come up with a review as soon as we're done with it. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.